Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and just getting started with Waze, don't worry at all, because in this video, I will explain everything step by step in very simple language. Today, we are going to see how to plan future trips on Waze. This is extremely useful, as it helps in pre-planning everything. Open Waze and tap the search icon. Enter your destination. Once the route appears, look for the option that says Plan a Drive. Tap on that. Now select the date and time you plan to leave. Waze will analyze traffic patterns and suggest the best time to start. You can save this planned drive and get reminders before departure. This feature is perfect for office commutes and long trips. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe.